Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your employee advocacy using EveryoneSocial easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To verify your employee advocacy using EveryoneSocial, begin by logging into your EveryoneSocial account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Locate the Employee Advocacy section on the left sidebar menu. Click on it to access various options related to employee engagement. Next, select the Reports tab to view the Analytics dashboard. In the Reports section, look for the Verification feature. Select Verify Advocacy to initiate the process. You will see a list of employees currently involved in advocacy activities. Review the list for any discrepancies or unverified accounts. To verify an account, click on the employee's name to access their profile. Check the metrics displayed to ensure they meet your criteria for advocacy. If the metrics appear satisfactory, click the Verify button on their profile. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that the verification was successful. Repeat this process for each employee you wish to verify. Once all desired accounts are verified, return to the Reports dashboard for an overview. This will give you insights into the overall advocacy engagement of your team. For ongoing monitoring, set up regular check-ins to review and verify new accounts. By following these steps, you can efficiently verify your employee advocacy using EveryoneSocial. Your advocacy program will become more robust and impactful with verified engagements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.